Hi guys, we are back again with another unboxing video. This time we are going to unbox a table that we bought from Amazon. So let's go ahead and खोलते हैं इसको. Let's unbox this. That was easy. That time was nice and smooth. So we took out the table from the box, the packaging. Let's see what all we have. We have some metal bars with some screws and some attachments. Looks like a plain white board. Still working on fixing it. This is the frame. Do it today. Looking at the instructions to assemble. They put the first stand and our cat is also helping us out in this. We're done with the first part, now the second levers. We build the full frame now and we are left with this portion now. So here we go, we fixed the table. Now remove the wrappers around it. So this is our design now. We're going to turn it around now. So what the table looks like after assembly. It's about almost the height of my thigh. This was the unboxing of QARA table. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos.